What's up, guys? It is Jonathan with One Big Impact. So today we're going to be doing a inner and outer tie rod replacement on a 1999 Mazda Protege. So first of all, you are going to need an alignment after this, but you can get it somewhat near close. But also make sure that you hurt yourself before you even start, because would it be car repair if you didn't hurt yourself? Probably not. This might go without saying. Before you completely jack it up, loosen your lug nuts just a little bit and then jack it up. Let's get started. Okay, I assume you already did an inspection of the inner and outer tie rod, but if you want to see mine, it is trashed. Look at that. That boot is disintegrating day by day by day. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this castle nut off. We have this little cotter pin here, and see if I can bend that down. Just, yeah, we got somewhat. All right, we got it out without having to get off my lazy ass and go get a screwdriver. So there's the cotter pin. Okay, so the castle nut is an 18 millimeter. Let's take the castle nut off. Okay, next, got that sucker out. Right there on the threads, we're gonna do two things here, just as like a backup mechanism. We're gonna get some whiteout. I happen to have a weird little marker here. I'm gonna mark on there so we know how far to go with our turns, and we're gonna undo this one, and then we're gonna count full turns every time this spins to the top. That'll be one. Like spin a full circle and then one, spin a full circle and then one, and then write it down. So you can see what I'm talking about. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll go right over here, driver 19. Next, we're going to cut our knees again, because both knees need to be cut. We need it everywhere. All right, next, you can see that little clamp inside there, right there for the boot. Obviously, it's not holding shit because my boot is wrecked, but we're going to go ahead and take that off. And then I'm going to slide that boot off, get this nut off, and we'll go from there. All right, this animal I got on the... Oh, there's a tie back there, way back there in the back. I had to rip my complete boot off to be able to even see the tie. My new kit came with new boots. I'll link it in the description below. It was like 40 bucks for the whole kit. But I bought this separately. This is a tie rod removing tool. So you just put the tie rod in there and like tie rod through here, and then clamp down and tighten down, and then you just pull it out. Okay, there's a view of what it looks like when it's on the tie rod. It's kind of hard to explain, so I wanted to get it on there first. And then you're going to put your 3/8 inch extension in it. I have a 2-foot extension that I bought from Harbor Freight. Got a whole kit of them, like 3 of them for like 20 bucks, 15 bucks or something like that. Not super cheap, but way cheaper than the good stuff. All right, now we got it on there, and we use the jack handle as a breaker bar. External view of what it looks like. Comes out of there. Not sure if that's going to save you time, but these bolts are 9/16 or 14. Story of my life. The sun's going down and I'm only going to get one side done. Why? Because I'm a wuss and I'm scared of the dark. Alright, so we're going to reverse just like we said. Let's wait until it goes on at least. There we go. So we're going to go 1, 2, 17, 18. I forgot the nut. Son of a bitch. Okay. Oh. Wait. Oh, crap. Why is that so close? I don't know. All right. Now you're going to put your castle nut back on and find where the hole is. That's what she said. And then make sure you grease this greaser right here. Bro, I'm busy doing that. I'm busy doing this. Okay, so final of the video. Oliva. We just got an alignment and I'm really happy with it actually. I've gone over multiple bumps and obviously I need shocks and struts, but 100% better, like 100%. Like I don't feel, you have to go get an alignment. Brakes Plus has a coupon. I don't know if they're gonna have a coupon by then, but look online. Brakes Plus is $77. The little Mexican shop down the street was $120 and he's like, I can't do it till later. He didn't care at all. Like he wasn't trying to do it. I think I'm gonna stop going there. I always try to go there to like give them business because it's a small business, but they're never really like about trying to help or anything. So anyway, that being said, Brakes Plus did it in probably realistically 30 minutes as soon as they brought it in. It was fast and I'm really grateful. The guy was kind of dry, but it doesn't matter. Like they got it done quick. So yeah, all in all, first side took about 45 minutes. Second side took about 10 or 15 minutes. It was way quick. So I would say on the level of ability, hardness, 4 or 5. Good luck. Ask if you have questions.